Introducing the 2025 Ford Explorer Premium Hatchback in stunning white with only 2,000 miles on the clock. This electric beauty comes loaded with top-of-the-line comfort, safety, and tech features. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation to collision avoidance. Braking, this Explorer has it all. Plus, with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, and wireless charging, every drive will be a pleasure. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has had a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.